decimal numbers. And the first part is cube of other positive decimal numbers. Examples. Find the cube of minus, find the cube of positive 1.2. Find the cube of positive 1.2. So what does that mean? Solution. Solution. That is positive 1.2 is the same thing as raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 1.2 raised to the power of 3. So the first thing for us to do is to change 1.2. You know, this 1.2 is a number that is greater than 1. So we need to change 1.2 to an improper fraction. So in that case, what do we have? 1.2 can be written as what? 12 divided by 10, then raised to the power of 3. 12 divided by 10, then raised to the power of 3. So what do we have? This can be written as what? In 3 places. 12 over 10 times 12 over 10 times 12 over 10. Now, looking at the numerators, 12 times 12 is 144. Then, what do we have? We need to multiply 144 by 12 again. So we have 2 times 4. What do we have? That's 8. Then 2 times 4 also, we have 8. 2 times 1, we have 2. Now using 1. 1 times 4, we have 4. 1 times 4, we have 4. Then 1 times 1, we have 1. Adding from the back, we have 8. 4 plus 8, we have 12. Then we carry 1. Now, 1 plus 2, what do we have? That is 3. 3 plus 4, we have 7. Then we have 1 left here, 1. So it means that 12 times 12 times 12 is 1,728. So we now have 1,728 at the numerator. So divided by, what do we have for the denominators? So at the denominators, we have 10, we have 10 here, we have 10. So we multiply. 10 times 10 times 10 will give us 1,000. So in this case, converting these to decimal, what do we have? So since we are looking at an improper fraction, therefore improper fraction, what do? You map from the last number, that is from the back. So mapping, what do we have? We map 8 to 0. Then we map 0 to 2, or 2 to 0. Then we map 0 to 7. And don't forget, while converting an improper fraction to a decimal numbers, we don't map non-zeros. What do I mean? At the denominator. We can only map zeros at denominators. Like for example, here we have 1. It's a non-zero number. So we are not mapping 1 at all. So the mapping stop at 7. It means the decimal point will be in front of 7. So we are going to have this to be what? 1.728, which is a solution to the problem. Thank you.